I'm Nicoline. I'm a fashion and commercial photographer. Red is expressive, emotional, but also one of the most difficult colors to reproduce accurately, especially on smartphones. I intentionally kept the lighting minimal to create a quiet and more painterly atmosphere. What impressed me was how naturally the true-to-color camera rendered the different shade of red without making them feel exaggerated. And that gave me confidence that what I was seeing was what the camera was capturing. Now let's zoom in. Look how sharp it is. But it wasn't just about the sharpness. It was about how much information is written to the image. Her facial expression, the makeup, the skin tone, all beautifully preserved. Even the finest detail remained really sharp. Look at the eyelashes. And for me, that's what makes an image feel believable. Because this composition contains both deep shadow and really bright highlight. And I want to preserve details across the entire image. Take a closer look here. Even in the darker areas, the texture and the patterns of the plants remain really clear and distinct. Despite the complexity of all its palettes, every element kept its own identity. Skin tone, flower, fabric, all the texture all remain balanced without overpowering another. At the end of the day, technology doesn't create stories. People do.